Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily change name in Genshin Impact. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Genshin Impact, and when you're gonna be here, press escape, and then you're gonna see Tauman, and just click here on the dots, and you're gonna see change name card and change edit nickname. Tauman 1, right? And this is pretty much how we do it. So again, you are in a game, you know, you're going to swim and stuff like that. And you press escape, the button here, and edit nickname. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.